SpeedKore Performance Dodge Demon. At the SpeedKore Performance Workshop, they took the already powerful Dodge Challenger SRT Demon from the summer of 2018 and turned it into a masterpiece. Upgrades included adding twin turbochargers to boost the engine from 852 to an incredible 1419 horsepower. The Demon's skin became entirely carbon fiber, shedding about 198 pounds. This modified beast covers a quarter-mile drag race in 8.77 seconds, and a lucky buyer snagged it at auction for $160,000. Lamborghini Urus FE, a vorsteiner widebody kit. The Lamborghini Urus, a first crossover from the Italian manufacturer, often catches the attention of tuning experts. Craftsman from Platinum Motorsport USA added a vorsteiner carbon fiber widebody kit to this particular Urus. The car also boasts new 24-inch wheels, AGL 67 low-profile tires, and a titanium exhaust system. The standard Urus already has a 650 horsepower V8 engine and a top speed of around 190 miles per hour. Harley-Davidson Softail Custom Breakout. Harley-Davidson, an iconic motorcycle company, is known for its timeless designs. The Harley-Davidson Softail Custom Breakout is a customized version of their rugged and modern chopper. With custom artwork, unique wheels, adjustable suspension, and added details like custom exhaust and mirrors, this bike stands out. The customization allows riders to enjoy even the longest trips with style. Mansory Lamborghini Urus Vertus. Mansory took the Lamborghini Urus and transformed it into a true beast. The exterior features extensive use of carbon fiber, a triple exhaust system, and widened arches for new rear wheels. The result is a striking appearance, often compared to the Batmobile. The interior received upgrades with carbon fiber trim elements, sway, and orange accents, creating a visually impressive vehicle. Mansory 63am. Mansory, known for its customization projects, worked on the Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG, producing a powerful and visually striking version. This Star Trooper edition boasts 850 horsepower, accelerates to 62 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, and achieves a top speed of about 155 miles per hour. Limited to only 20 cars, it combines the best components from various projects. BMW X6M Minotaur. Renegade Design offers a unique carbon kit named Minotaur for the BMW X6M. This kit allows customers to choose between classic and forged carbon options, assembling their kit with different hood styles, trunk lids, bumper inserts, fenders, and more. Additionally, customers can select forged discs ranging from 20 to 23 inches. Ford Tourneo Custom Black Series Edition. Even the Ford Tourneo, initially not expected to be anything special, can be transformed into a custom masterpiece. Carlex Design's Custom X Black Series Edition gives the Tourneo a complete exterior redesign with a sporty and aggressive appearance. The interior features black and red trim, a new steering wheel, and custom-made seats, turning the once modest Tourneo into an eye-catching and stylish vehicle. SpeedKore Cuda. SpeedKore, known for unconventional performance cars, pays tribute to the INSA Championship with the SpeedKore Cuda. Drawing inspiration from racetracks, the front end is raised and a special load-bearing frame protects the driver. Inspired by the 1974 Dodge Challenger, SpeedKore may even assemble this race-inspired masterpiece in reality. Ford F250 MegaRaptor. The Ford F250 MegaRaptor, built on an all-wheel drive F250 with a diesel engine, resembles a vehicle from a Mad Max movie. Upgrades include improved suspension, 64-inch Michelin XCL tires with military-grade rims, and steel and fiberglass body components. Offering various options for individual orders, MegaRaptor is suitable for both ordinary roads and off-road adventures. Brabus 92R. In contrast to the MegaRaptor, Brabus opted for compactness with the BRABUS 92R. This tiny electric smart EQ42 was transformed into what Brabus calls an urban supercar. With a top speed of 81 miles per hour, acceleration to 62 miles per hour in 10.9 seconds, and a 92 horsepower motor, it offers a unique blend of style and performance. The interior receives Brabus branded decor and leather, making it a limited edition of 50 cars priced at around $45,500 each. The Sbarro 8 concept. Ever wonder about the meaning of hot rod? It's not crystal clear where it came from, but generally, it's about soaping up cars to hit top speeds. People often strip away parts of the car to make it lighter and give it a unique hot rod appearance. Now let's talk about a specific member of this hot rod family, the Sbarro 8. This car rocks a powerful V8 engine from Maserati, pumping out 368 horsepower and boasting a capacity of 195.3 cubic inches. The V6 team has also worked its magic on other models, like one based on a Porsche 911. And hey, have you heard about the Dodge Ram 1500? It's a pretty massive ride. Dodge Demon Widebody by bradbuilds. The Dodge Demon is no longer being made, but that doesn't stop tuning enthusiasts. In this case, bradbuilds, a channel specializing in cars and design, created a 3D version of the Demon on screen using the 3ds Max program. The concept includes minimal ground clearance, wide wheels, a roof air intake, and a unique color scheme.